मोस्ट कॉमन मिस्टेक दैट पीपल मेक कि वो अपनी आंखों का क्या ध्यान नहीं रखते?
बच्चा खाता नहीं है, थोड़ा पेपे पिग
फोन
दिखाओ ना।
बच्चों को अभी पहले के ज़माने से ज़्यादा चश्मा लग रहा है. इज इट बिकॉज ऑफ अवेयरनेस या फिर कि उनकी फ़ोन यूजेस ज़्यादा है?
मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आफ्टर कोविड दे केम एंड टोल्ड मी कि मेरा बच्चा इतना कोविड में पूरा दिन स्क्रीन में रहता था, इसके लिए उसको चश्मा लग गया. आई विल नॉट एक्सेप्ट इट. The local Gujarati, which is not a textbook language. Walhadi Gujarati, hahu chhe, haru chhe. Sir and sure is totally misplaced. So no one calls me Usha, everyone calls me Usa Ben. Some old people come and say, doctor nathi ke sister? They tell doctor means it is a male person. So then I have to tell that, કાકા હું જ ડોક્ટર છું, હું જ કરું છું, મારી બહુ મોટી મોટી ડિગ્રી છે, મારે તો બહુ બધું એવોર્ડ મળેલું છે, બહુ બધું ગોલ્ડ મેડલ છે મારા પાસે. Then they understand. Okay.
कैटरैक्ट के लिए इज सर्जरी द ओनली ऑप्शन?
There is no medicine which will reach the cataract and dissolve it. I would say अभी भी लोगों को डायबिटीज के वजह से ब्लाइंडनेस होता है करके पता नहीं है.
ऐश्वर्या राय ने बोला था कि वो जब मरेगी वो अपनी आईज डोनेट करेगी.
Like you need a celebrity person to inform कि this is the thing which can help to get vision. Medicine is not time lost. It is a life beautifully built. आँख दे दिया तो अगले जन्म में ब्लाइंड हो जाते.
वेलकम टू द 10th एपिसोड ऑफ शी स्पीक्स विद सौम्या. आज का एपिसोड हमारे लिए इतना बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेशल है क्योंकि आज मेरे साथ है दमन की सीनियर मोस्ट ऑफ्थेल्मोलॉजिस्ट और मेरी मामी सास. हाय मामी.
हाय.
अब मैं आपको डॉक्टर उषा नहीं बोलूँगी, मैं आपको मामी करके
डेफिनेटली
बोलूँगी.
नॉट. मैं भी तुमको डॉक्टर नहीं बोलूँगी.
So, Mami is that person who after my mother-in-law's death has been the mother figure जो मुझे बताती हैं कि हमारे कोंकणी ट्रेडिशंस में फेस्टिवल्स में कैसे सेलिब्रेट करना है, खाना क्या बनाना है. एंड शी इज़ दैट वन वुमन जो घर भी साथ में संभालती हैं, फैमिली भी संभालती हैं और काम भी संभालती हैं. शी इज़ द ओनर ऑफ सो मैनी हॉस्पिटल्स नाउ. 1 2 3 4 centers. And I am really happy and honored to have her here with us today. So welcome Dr. Usha. Please tell us a little about yourself.
एक्चुअली ये मौका दिया इसके लिए वेरी 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 थैंक यू. मैं राह देख रही थी एक्चुअली, बट स्टिल थैंक यू फॉर कॉलिंग मी ऑन द 10th एपिसोड. सो इट इज़ अ स्टेपिंग स्टोन फॉर यू ऑल्सो. ठीक है, मेरे बारे में बोलूँ तो आई एम हियर इन गुजरात सिंस 1988. मेरा जो पहला हॉस्पिटल जो था, आई स्टार्टेड इन पारडी. इट वॉज लाइक वेरी स्मॉल वन वेयर आई यूज टू गिव ओनली स्पेक्टिकल नंबर्स एंड कॉन्टैक्ट लेंस बिकॉज दोज डेज इवन कैटरैक्ट इफ यू टेल द पेशेंट यू हैव टू ऑपरेट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दे विल नॉट कम बैक. सेकेंड देन आँख पूरा बाहर निकालेंगे. दैट वॉज द डिक्टम दोज डेज. So I'm thankful I could make people aware about the eye care. And first, after 10 years of practice in Pardi, I joined Daman. That was somewhere in 1998. Thanks to the government and then director Dr. Vaishya, he gave me an opportunity to serve the people in Daman. Because I was the only one ophthalmologist here. Here also I had the same challenge. Like to make people aware first about eye care and surgeries. Literally, I have digged out all the instruments from the government offices to those who it is used for operations, checking and all, everything. But I am happy. I have done my best and that legacy is going on even now. Only challenge I faced here was a language.
हाँ, क्योंकि you have been here.
I am from Mangalore, yes. Karnataka, where even Hindi speaking is also difficult.
Yes.
हाँ, people enjoy Hindi movies, but speaking Hindi is not their thing.
Definitely.
So I knew all the South languages, Malayalam, Konkani, Kerala people were very happy with me, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, everything I'm happy. But I had the challenge of learning Gujarati. And that too in Pardi, the local Gujarati, which is not a textbook language.
Walhadi.
Walhadi Gujarati, hahu che, haru che. Sir and sure is totally misplaced. So, and in my house, everyone's names, there is SH in that. So no one calls me Usha, everyone calls me Usa, Usa Ben, Usa Ben. So that is the thing. But I'm happy I have learned it. Now, I don't feel out of the community. I'm one of them. I feel Gujarati is my home.
Definitely.
So yeah, so I'm very happy, and I made my children have a Gujarati subject in their school, and I learned with them also the typical textbook language also. So medical profession, maybe I didn't have much challenge, but language was the thing. But I'm very happy. I think I speak very good Gujarati.
Yes,
I
you
can write it also. Maybe some of my colleagues who are Gujarati themselves, they don't write in Gujarati.
Okay.
But I write the prescription in Gujarati
Oh,
because
wow.
people understand that better.
मेरा
That's
मानना
why.
ये है, like the next step for me also is learning to write
At least
Gujarati.
एक बार, बे बार, त्रण बार, चार बार, सवारे,
वो
सांजे.
गुजराती में
Yeah,
लिखना.
that much at least if you write, na, so they are happy.
हाँ.
And they understand. Then we can tell them that this is the way it is. So language was the problem for me in the initial days.
The biggest challenge
Initial
that you
days,
faced
yeah,
when
yeah,
you
yeah,
started working.
yeah.
And you have been here working for the past 37 years.
Yeah, almost 37 years now.
तो आपने पार्डी में क्लिनिक स्टार्ट किया था, उसके बाद में आपने दमन में क्लिनिक स्टार्ट किया था. तो जब आपने दमन में चालू किया था, जब आप आपकी फर्स्ट सर्जरी करने वाले थे, तब क्या क्या आपको चैलेंजेस फेस करने
That
पड़े
was
थे?
in a government hospital. That person still visits me, and he is there in that junction of Coastal Highway and the road to Vapi. That junction, he is there. His house is there. He comes to me. He got the other eye also operated. The first operation, I checked all the instruments. I started the operation. Microscope was working. Instruments are all autoclaved. Everything was fine. I started the surgery. The microscope went fat. So without microscope, I am nowhere, like nothing to do. So torch lagaya, ye lagaya, te lagaya. That time I was young, so not presbyopic. So my vision was too good. So I could suture it back. Those days it was not laser surgery. It was a suture surgery where we used to put a big incision and remove a cataract. Now suture is not a problem. So I sutured him. I took him in my car, went back to Pardi, operated in Pardi, and got him back.
Okay.
So this was my first challenge, and that patient is still alive with very good vision, and he got the other eye also operated by me only.
All thanks to you.
Yeah. So thanks to the Almighty.
यस. आपने इंडिया में भी काम किया, बीच में आपने सऊदी में भी काम किया. तब आप सऊदी कितने टाइम के लिए थे?
Saudi, actually, it was just to forget my trauma of placenta excreta.
That we'll get to.
Yeah,
Yes.
so I just wanted some change. So I had a job of Saudi Arabia lasting since 3-4 years,
Okay.
but I was not so much keen on going there.
But how
So
different was
I just
it?
didn't want to stay for a few days here, so I went there. I have worked in Canada also. I was in Calgary for some time also. There I worked with the phaco master who started the technique of phaco laser surgery. I worked with him. I had a very good experience with him also. Only thing is abroad, na, everything is streamlined. Like you are supposed to do this, you do it. Of course, machineries are also very good. People are also well disciplined. But I love India. You have to work in India because the way the patient gives the relation, patient-doctor relationship, what we have here, you can never expect abroad. It's like मेरा पापा का ऑपरेशन किया वैसे ही वो काका भी वैसे ही समझता है. So he is totally involved in the relation with you. So like when you give a baby to the patient, how they are involved with you, like it's a extended family rather than patient doctor.
I know about their personal life. They know about my personal life.
Similarly, I have seen people touching my feet who are 30-40 years elder to me. I used to feel so embarrassed Because now the time you remove their cataract and give them good vision, they feel it is heaven. So they feel you are God. I said, no, we have learned it. We are giving the service. Of course, we need blessings from you as well as the Almighty. So this is what I feel ki abroad you can go, you work there, you have the streamline, discipline, everything. But working in, I would love to work in India.
I would also love to work in India and only India.
Only India.
पेशेंट्स भी
मेरा
आते हैं।
भारत महान।
मेरा भारत महान। 100 में से 99 बेईमान
बेईमान जो
पर
भी
फिर
है, लेकिन मेरा भारत
फिर भी
महान।
मेरा भारत महान। आपने प्लेसेंटा अक्रीटा की बात करी, तो इट वाज योर 3rd सिजेरियन,
Yeah.
तो आप थोड़ा सा उसके बारे में बताएंगे?
Actually, I wanted a baby girl. Anyway, मेरे तो
शिवम,
अभी तो
शिवम सुन ले।
अभी तो मेरे बहू लोग ही है जो लड़की बन गए, मेरे ही बच्चे बन गए हैं. But somehow something happened and I landed in the last stage, like with placenta accreta. I dropped your husband Vaibhav the previous day to the school with my kids, and the next day I was to get operated. Actually, I don't know whatever is thing, but one thing I can tell you is that showed me how much I was popular in this area, because there was a maybe kilometer or more than that a line of people who wanted to donate blood for me, and there was also people praying for me. And I have seen few people doing Mrityunjay Jap or something, whatever they do to
Mahamrityunjay
save
Jap.
the life. They had done that. People giving food to my people at home. Everyone, like, there was really a big queue. Like,
A village.
yeah, everyone was helping. Somebody helped to bring that superfast train which never stops in Valsad. They made it stop in the first platform so that I could be taken to Bombay in the Hinduja hospital. Because those days there was some road work going on, and Bombay, to reach Bombay was more than 7 to 8 hours. So when they wanted me to shift there, so this was the only earliest or fastest means of taking me. So literally, you imagine, they shifted it to first floor. They emptied the whole first class department, bogie, and they shifted all those people into the others, and they took me in that. So this is a kind of relation you have here with your friends, patients, their families. So always I say, because of this, I am saved. Not only that, I have so much more work to do. Like, I used to do CAM surgeries like almost every Sunday. Maybe after the COVID, we have stopped it. We are planning to start it again. I used to operate minimum 50 to 100 cases a day on Sundays. I have crossed more than 2 lakh cataracts now. Thank God, all are fine. No complications. Everyone is seeing. These things, these blessings from these my patients, I feel that was the one who saved me. Of course, भगवान तो डॉक्टर भी है, लेकिन उसके साथ में दुआ भी चाहिए.
वो नियर
Yeah.
डेथ
So,
एक्सपीरियंस
yeah.
से आपको ये सीखने को
दुआ
मिला.
तो चाहिए ही चाहिए.
हाँ.
So that showed me how much people love me.
Yes.
So that was the thing which I learned from my placenta accreta.
वो it was all your hard work only.
And
जिससे
one more thing I would love to say, you as a patient should believe in whatever your doctor or your people are doing around you, and you should have the faith to survive yourself. वो जिद बोलते हैं ना. हाँ, मुझे रहना ही है, मुझे तो बहुत काम है, मेरे 3 बच्चों को बड़ा करना है, इतना सारा सर्जरी बाकी है. तो that जिद will make you survive any turmoil in life. That is what I feel.
That
Maybe
is
I'm
what
wrong,
you
I
have
don't know.
lived.
Yeah, I don't know, maybe.
पर
This is
आप
what I
उससे
feel.
ही आप अभी तक हो.
Yeah,
यू आर
yeah.
स्ट्रॉन्ग. आप
Yeah.
बैडमिंटन खेलते हो. आप सब ड्राइव करके इधर उधर अपने सब सेंटर्स पे भागते हो, ऑपरेट करते हो. कुछ लोगों ने तो ऐसे भी बोला कि अच्छा उषा मैडम अभी भी पेशेंट देखते हैं, अभी भी ऑपरेशन करते हैं, ऐसा बोलते हैं.
Okay.
सो वी टॉक्ड अबाउट द कैंप्स दैट यू डिड इन साउथ गुजरात. आप वास्ता में कैंप करते थे.
I have gone to, in Daman, if you tell me, every sherry, every corner, every nook and corner of Daman, I have done the camp. So thanks to the people here who believed in me and they got operated from me. Even when any patient comes, they say, "Maru dada nu tamaj karalo, maru papa nu tamaj karalo." Means it is the third generation who is
Generational
coming
doctor
now.
ho aap.
Yeah, it is the third generation coming for cataract now. So that much of they have faith in me. I thank you for all that. The love and affection, whatever they shower on me, rather. That's the thing.
तो आपको ये कैंप्स करने के लिए क्या चीज़ मोटिवेट करती थी?
The first thing I found out was with Nadkarni hospital people, we used to go once in a month to a place called Kaprada. Then those days there was no government hospital there. And it was like people had to come long way to get even the basic treatment for fever and all. So through Nadkarni hospital, I also joined them in that. Once a month we used to go there and we used to see all patients, like all multi-speciality. But that time I saw so many people with fully mature cataracts, could not see anything, holding hands of their kids and kids and roaming about, not coming for operations. Then I said, every patient, mature cataract, क्या है इधर कोई ऑपरेशन ही नहीं करता है क्या? So I mean that was the thing which made me start this camps, and we started our own foundation called Abhisham Foundation, through which we can cater to all these. Like these people, we had to literally bring them from Kaprada to our place, clean them, feed them also, because they are so dirty sometimes. Those days,
Infection.
not now. Now they are all well developed. Those days we had to literally, because the water scarcity was there, people were not aware of all these things. So we had to teach them hygiene also and operate them, keep them for 2 days, make sure they can see properly and put the medicines, teach them how to put the medicine. So this is how I started. Then it was very difficult for me alone to do all these things. So we started the foundation, Abhisham Foundation. Then we joined hands with one of the eye hospital in Vasda. So there we started, like the preliminary work was done by them. They used to collect the patients and we only used to go and do the operative and medical part of it. And by that, I think I have worked more than 20-25 years with them.
तो आप इतने साल से प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो, शुरू में या कभी भी आपको डिस्क्रिमिनेशन फेस करना पड़ा एज अ फीमेल डॉक्टर?
To tell you frankly, no. Maybe in Gujarat they don't have that. So I was never said कि तुम्हें जो छो, ऐसा कभी मैंने सुना नहीं है. But sometimes some old people come and say, डॉक्टर નથી કે sister? They call me as sister and they tell doctor means it is a male person. So then I have to tell that, કાકા હું જ ડોક્ટર છું, હું જ કરું છું, મારી બહુ મોટી મોટી ડિગ્રી છે, મારે તો બહુ બધું એવોર્ડ મળેલું છે, બહુ બધું ગોલ્ડ મેડલ છે મારા પાસે. Then they understand. Okay. But that was only in the initial stages.
वो अभी भी होता है मामी.
अभी भी होता है. But at least in eye surgeries, I don't think there
You wouldn't believe it, गायनेक में भी होता है.
Gynec में होता है. So that is surprising because gynec means they expect lady doctor.
Yes, still it is happening.
Still it is happening.
हाँ.
So that
मेरे
is bad.
रेजिडेंसी में भी होता था, वो हमको सिस्टर ही बोलते थे.
हमारे में actually I have faced very few people doing like this. Very rarely I can say. But they are okay with any doctor.
So coming to eye health, what is the most common mistake that people make? कि वो अपने आँखों का क्या ध्यान नहीं रखते हैं? सबसे कॉमन आपको क्या लगता है कि क्या हो सकता है?
एक तो हम टेक फॉर ग्रांटेड है.
हाँ,
भगवान ने आँख दिया है, वो भी दो दिया है. तो they are happy with whatever you say. But there is so much of science in that. देखने के लिए तो ये पूरा आदमी दिख रहा है मुझे, बट इसके लिए मुझे कितना पिक्सल में यूज करना पड़ रहा है, कितना फ्यूजन कर रहा है, दैट ओनली माई ब्रेन एंड आई नोज अबाउट इट. सो मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज nowadays we are into screens. Okay, बच्चा खाता नहीं है, थोड़ा पेपे पिग दिखाओ ना, थोड़ा एनिमल दिखाओ ना. सो उसमें से शुरू होता है. सो I don't say कि you should not do that, but blinking is the most commonest thing we forget. Because this is studied abroad also, even in these Silicon Valley, Bangalore and all, where all the computer people are sitting. They had kept a camera in the laptop and they were studying it. The blink rate reduces to only less than 10%.
Okay. While you are watching.
Because you are so engrossed in putting the data and putting the things and so many things you do on the computer. So the blink rate goes down. So this is the one what leads to dryness in the eye. It starts with little bit of dryness, little bit of scratchiness, little bit of grittiness. And then you just go on forgetting it because you are so busy in your work. So simple solution is blink. So we have a rule called 20-20-20 rule. Once in 20 minutes, look at a distance of 20 feet for 20 seconds.
Okay.
Not even more than that, 20 seconds. So if you can't follow perfectly this, just go on blinking whenever you remember it. So one thing is it will relax your medial muscles, medial rectus muscles and the accommodation muscles. So it will be relaxed. Second thing is it is like a pumping action of the eyes. So your tears start flowing. So it will be, the dryness goes off. So the same thing when it increases, you may have to use some tear drops, just a supplement like, and there will not be any side effects for that. Still worse, then you may have to use glasses which have these anti-reflecting properties. Those usually people nowadays everybody knows about it. Filtered glasses they say, they use that also. So anything, this is the most commonest one which we forget.
अब जैसे मेरी दीदी
मोबाइल
है,
भी पास,
हाँ,
मोबाइल के बिना तो
देखते
जिंदगी
हैं,
नहीं है आजकल.
अब दीदी है, दीदी का पूरा टाइम स्क्रीन पर देख के काम करने का होता है.
Yeah.
तो फॉर हर दिस 20-20-20 रूल इज द बेस्ट थिंग.
Simplest and the best. Simplest as well as the best treatment is this. Of course, when something more than that comes, we are there to help them.
डेफिनेटली. और हाउ मच स्क्रीन टाइम इज टू मच स्क्रीन टाइम?
सी आजकल तो ये कंप्यूटर में काम कर रहा है तो 8 घंटा तो उसको करना ही पड़ेगा. है ना? हाँ. 8 घंटा तो आई कांट से आधा घंटा ही काम करो, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं करो. विच इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल इन दिस वर्ल्ड, एटलीस्ट दिस एरा. सो एटलीस्ट 20-20 तो फॉलो करो ना. बट फॉर किड्स ना, यू ट्राई टू अवॉइड, बिकॉज एक तो आदत पड़ जाती है. Outdoor games they are not used to. They start playing cricket on the screen only. So for that you can advise them ki give more importance to outdoor games, not on the screen.
Definitely.
So that is one thing you can see. But most of the time both parents are working. The child is with the nanny or someone caretaker. तो कुछ करती रहती है, मोबाइल हाथ में दे देती है तो जाती है. So that you have to have a little look out on that.
वर्किंग पेरेंट्स के साथ में यही हो जाता है कि आप पूरा दिन काम करो, फिर घर जाओ, बच्चे से आप इरिटेट हो, और अभी तो ऐसी एज भी है.
आई नो, लाइक 5 मिनट में तुमको खिला के उठना है तो देखो यार पेपा पिग चलेगा, खाना तो खा रहे हैं ना, खाने दो. So that is the thing. Like try to give them books, try to give them other activities. कहने के लिए easy है, but you have to
अमल करना पड़ता है.
You have to do it.
One simple habit that you want people to follow for a better eye health. ऐसी कोई चीज जो लोग कर सकते हैं अपनी दिनचर्या में.
एक तो यही है स्क्रीन टाइम का.
हाँ.
So that I already explained you.
हाँ.
Second thing is the आजकल I should not say but healthy food. You have your healthy food, but don't forget the salads.
Yes. Salad.
एक गाजर हाथ में दे दो, एक काकड़ी हाथ में दे दो, जो खाए दे, बिट खाया तो बिट, बट लेट हिम डेवलप टेस्ट ऑफ दोज थिंग्स. सो ग्रीन सैलड्स, फ्रूट्स.
तो कैरेट्स एक्चुअली हेल्प इन इम्प्रूविंग द eyesight.
It's not improving, you are getting the vitamin A dosage whatever is needed for you. So because when initially we may be giving them multivitamin syrups and all which contains partly vitamin A also. And we do think of giving them all fruits added to that. But if you can give the natural way of giving this, because vitamin A deficiency was a national level blindness program initially, But now it is not so much because the program has started with vitamin A supplements during the neonatal and infants.
वैक्सीन्स भी लगते हैं ना
Yeah,
अभी
infant, even that syrup is good enough. Vitamin A syrup आ जाती है, एक चमची पिला दो, that is enough for that. Because I had a survey done during my initial periods of practice in Pardi. We had screened all the school children up to 5th standard. And the final result we got was urban kids were suffering from vitamin A deficiency and not rural ones.
ओके
And the main reason for that was the rural people were eating the homegrown vegetables themselves. They were exposed to all the homegrown vegetables. वही तो खाते थे. और हम अर्बन वाले तो रेडीमेड खाते हैं. We are into fast foods. That was those days. But now people are health aware. They do take salads.
बचपन से ऐसे हमको बोलते थे कि हर सब्जी के ऊपर धनिया डाल के देते थे कि धनिया नहीं खाएगी तो चश्मा लग जाएगा. तो
That's what green color.
हाँ, तो मैंने डर के मारे काफी धनिया खाया. अभी तक तो 6/6 ही चल रहा है. चश्मा नहीं है. तो आपके हिसाब से आपकी प्रैक्टिस पे ऐसा देखने को आ रहा है क्या कि बच्चों को अभी पहले के जमाने से ज्यादा चश्मा लग रहा है? इज इट बिकॉज ऑफ अवेयरनेस या फिर ऐसा है कि उनकी फोन यूजर्स ज्यादा है इसीलिए उनको चश्मे जल्दी
I will not say no for these screen users which are contributing for the refractive errors. But most of the people after COVID, they came and told me कि मेरा बच्चा इतना कोविड में पूरा दिन स्क्रीन में रहता था इसके लिए उसको चश्मा लग गया. That I will not accept it. Because most of the time when the child goes to the school, not in house, not on the screen, when they don't see in the distance, when you're sitting on the bench in the last bench and you're not able to see in the front, definitely bacha will come and show, or he will tell his mother, or he will write wrong things, spelling mistake, addition mistakes. तो तब पता चल जाता है कि बच्चे को कुछ विजन प्रॉब्लम है. बट कोविड में क्या हुआ, इट वॉज नियर विजन. तो नियर विजन तो माइनस नंबर मायोप वालों को तो नियर विजन बहुत अच्छा है. बिकॉज वॉट यू वी कॉल इट समीप दृष्टि. तो चश्मा तो ऐसे भी उनको नजदीक के लिए लगता ही नहीं है. देन व्हेन कोविड स्टॉप्ड एंड पीपल स्टार्टेड सेंडिंग द किड्स टू द स्कूल, तो बच्चे को बोर्ड पर नहीं दिख रहा है. Not all, whoever had this refractive error. So नहीं, कंप्यूटर पूरा दिन इसके लिए चश्मा लग गया. So that I won't believe.
Okay.
So only thing I will say, they came out to know about it because of this.
अवेयरनेस बढ़ गई.
अवेयरनेस बढ़ गया,
इसीलिए चश्मे
इसीलिए
बढ़ गए.
उनको पता चल गया कि मेरे बच्चे को दूर का नहीं दिख रहा है. नहीं, पहले तो परफेक्ट लिखता था, कोई स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक नहीं थी, एडिशन भी परफेक्ट था. अभी स्कूल जाने के पहले, स्कूल जाने से ऐसा हो गया. दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द रिफ्रैक्टिव एरर.
और मुझे ऐसे ही एक आया दिमाग में, लेजी आई, एम्ब्लायोपिया है ना. तो वो बचपन में कैसे पता करने का, मतलब ऑफ्थेल्मोलॉजिस्ट के पास ले जाके कब से बच्चे को दिखाने का? क्योंकि अभी मेरी बेटी है, मुझे नहीं पता कि उसको दोनों आंखों से अच्छे से दिख रहा है या नहीं, और मैं उसको आपके पास लाऊंगी, मशीन में चेक कराऊंगी तो वो भी नहीं करने देगी. तो एम्ब्लायोपिया का मुझे कब कैसे पता चलेगा जल्दी?
स्कूल एज तो अभी तो 3 साल के बाद ही तो शुरू होता है. सो इनिशियल डेज इट इज रियली डिफिकल्ट टू फाइंड आउट. People do send the children from the school to take a vision certificate. We try our best to find out if there is any disturbance between the two eyes. Like lazy eye happens when the number is more in one eye and less in the other, or one eye is perfectly normal and there is a number in the other eye. So only then the lazy eye will come. So most important is when they start reading, when they can recognize alphabets. So that is around 5 years. So ABCD तो पढ़ेंगे, कक्का तो पढ़ेंगे, तो तभी एक बार चेक करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. But there is a national level program also for refractive errors and lazy eye, finding out these things. But if on your own you can take them to the ophthalmologist around 5-year age, just for a routine checkup.
Okay.
Yeah. And at least you will be very sure there is one no refractive error. Second, the whatever we say lazy eye or something, that is not there. Third one is you may find little bit of squinting in the kid.
Okay.
That is the time you have to go to the ophthalmologist. Even if she is just 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. जो भी एज में आपको पता चला कि थोड़ा सा तिरछा नजर है, स्क्विंट लग रहा है, एक से दिखता है, बहुत नज़दीक बुक पकड़ के नहीं तो नज़दीक जाके खाना खाती है और खाता है. सो दिस इज अ टाइम यू हैव टू सस्पेक्ट समथिंग इज रॉन्ग. So then you have to, don't wait for 5 years. Earlier the treatment, better the progress. Because lazy eye mein, if you want a full correction and good vision in that eye, the earliest exercises are the best way of treatment. You may not need any operations for that. Maybe a simple exercise or a simple spectacle use may correct the lazy eye and give good vision in that lazy eye.
वो ऐसे एक आंख बंद करके
या पैचिंग बोलते हैं, पेंसिल पुशअप एक्सरसाइज बोलते हैं. वी हैव सम मशीन्स थ्रू विच वी हैव टू डू इट ऑल्सो. दैट पहले ज़माने में तो हमको यहाँ से नवसारी सूरत भेजना पड़ता था, अभी ऑनलाइन एक्सरसाइज करवाते हैं.
ओके.
या वी हैव ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम्स वेयर दे गिव यू द programs for 1 hour, 2 hours, depending upon what kind of progress they have, they continue the exercises. So online exercises are there.
ओके.
Yeah.
अभी डायबिटीज की बात करें मामी, तो डायबिटीज में कैसे आंखों पर असर होता है? क्योंकि रेटिनोपैथी हम पढ़ते तो हैं बट लोगों को नहीं पता चलता है, उन्हें हमें समझाना पड़ता है कि आपको दिखाना पड़ेगा. तो आप थोड़ा उसके बारे में बताइए.
As you know, डायबिटीज कैपिटल है हमारा इंडिया. तो पता नहीं, वट एवर द कॉज इज, द नंबर इज इंक्रीजिंग. बट फॉर आई केयर आई वुड से अभी भी लोगों को डायबिटीज़ के वजह से ब्लाइंडनेस होता है करके पता नहीं है. There are more than 60-70%, I can say. I may be wrong, but I feel sometimes na patient आते हैं. I remember my first patient who had diabetes. He came with me just for a refractive error. चश्मे का नंबर लेने के लिए आया था. तो मैंने उसका फंडस देखा तो इट इज़ फुल ऑफ रेटिनोपैथी, पूरा डॉट्स एंड ब्लॉट हेमोरेजेस व्हाट यू से. तो मैंने बोला आपको डायबिटीज़ है. ही लिटरली फॉट विद मी सेइंग दैट मेरे पूरा खानदान में डायबिटीज़ नहीं है, आप ऐसे कैसे बोल सकते हो. मैंने बोला ठीक है बेटा, नो प्रॉब्लम, आप खाली चेक करवा दो, आपके डॉक्टर के पास ही जाके चेक करा दो, मेरे पास नहीं करना करके. एंड दैट पेशेंट इज हैविंग रेगुलर फॉलोअप्स विद मी फ्रॉम दैट डे. ही फाउंड आउट दैट ही इज डायबिटिक एंड वी कुड सेव हिज विजन एंड ही इज स्टिल हैविंग गुड विजन. ओके, सो ओनली वन थिंग इज people do take, I don't know whether they are not aware of it or they take it for granted. Till everything is seen, they don't come. So कभी कभी आपका डायबिटीज़ कितना है? हाँ, 200-300 के बीच में रहता है. मीन्स दैट इज़ नॉर्मल फॉर दैम. सो मैं बोलती हूँ तो 200 के नीचे नहीं है तो आपका आई में इफेक्ट हो सकता है. आपने कभी चेक किया है? नो. आई में कुछ होता है क्या? So this is the usual question asked. And we have seen people having sudden blindness, sudden hemorrhage, sudden attacks like the retina vein or artery can get blocked because of high diabetes. Because it is a vascular disease, it affects the blood vessels. There will be initial stages, there will be fine dot hemorrhages which will not affect the vision much. So people are happy, they have good vision, they go on with it. But that is the stage you want to have a regular checkup. Because if at all something is wrong, we can prevent further complication. We can save your vision just by mere laser and mere control over your diabetes.
And what
It is
about
only two things where no surgery is needed, no injection is needed. So you do control very well, nothing happens. Nothing will happen.
what about diabetes in pregnancy?
The same thing in diabetes during pregnancy. Eye checkup is a must for those people having diabetes. If it is gestational, will it be controlled after their delivery, even that you have to take care of that. So if it continues, they have to check their eyes regularly. But those who don't have any symptoms, but they are diabetic during pregnancy, once in a trimester, I would love them to have a checkup. So that, because there will be so much of fluctuation in your hormonal changes during pregnancy. So it can go out of control. So during which there may be some retina changes which may need
चेकअप
checkups.
डायबिटिक रेटिनोपैथी का कुछ ऐसे सिम्टम या साइंस हैं जो लोगों को पता चल सकते हैं कि वो जाएं ऑफ्थेल्मोलॉजिस्ट को दिखाने?
See, blood vision is the only thing which may be due to diabetes or may not be due to diabetes. But for a diabetic patient, it is a must. They should have a checkup for diabetic retinopathy. Rule out, it is not due to retinopathy. It's only refractive error. So how will you know that? You have to come to ophthalmologist and find out. So that is a dictum, like you have to.
What about blood pressure?
Same thing. Blood pressure also has a similar effect. Because I have seen patient suddenly coming up with central retina artery occlusion, total blindness, which cannot be reversed. It is totally blindness. And you ask them, are you hypertensive? हाँ, गोली तो लेता छे, कंट्रोल छे, तो आज क्यारे चेक करेलो? वरस થઈ ગયો. Means they don't go for regular follow-ups. And suddenly when there is a spike, or a sudden increase in hypertension, which might have blocked, it is similar to your myocardial infection or a heart attack. So it is आँख का attack.
हार्ट अटैक ऑफ द आई.
का आई का हो जाता है. But depending upon which vessel is blocked, similar to एक vessel block, 2 vessel block, 3 vessel block बोलते हैं, वैसे ही आँखों में कौन सा वेन में ब्लॉक हो गया और आर्टरी में ब्लॉक है. आर्टरी तो एक ही है आँखों में. So it is the worst thing you can get is central retinal artery occlusion, which we cannot reverse.
Okay.
If only thing is, if he comes within 6 hours, that too questionable. We have some treatments because it is the clot which is blocking the central retinal artery flow. So you have ocular massage, we have medicines to dislodge that clot. We can try, but no
guarantees.
No guarantee. That too within 6 hours.
Okay.
Who will reach?
स्ट्रोक में भी ऐसे ही होता है ना, गोल्डन आवर
Yeah,
वाला.
that's what. So it is, I won't say impossible,
बट
but
कैन
very difficult. Very difficult.
से प्री एक्लैम्पशिया में भी ब्लरिंग ऑफ विजन
Yeah.
होती है. कई बार तो कंप्लीट ब्लाइंडनेस भी हो जाती है. बट
Preeclampsia is similar to hypertension, but it is pregnancy induced. So I have seen people with papilledema
ओके.
in PET,
Pregnancy.
pregnancy induced hypertension.
ओके.
And they reverse completely. They get full vision after that once the hypertension is controlled. But you should look for it. You should.
तो आपके हिसाब से नॉर्मल लोगों को एक ऑफ्थेल्मोलॉजिस्ट के पास चेकअप के लिए कितना ऑफन जाना चाहिए?
After 40 everyone comes. मजबूरी है, नजदीक दिखता नहीं है.
बट नॉर्मली लोगों को
Yeah.
कैसे?
So
हाँ.
normally I would say one checkup in childhood is a must. In a childhood, before the child goes to a school, we may not be able to find out the perfect refractive error, but at least if the child has got any minor squint or some eye changes like iris coloboma. Iris coloboma is a gap in the iris, which is a congenital deformity, and people don't find out that. As a parent, if you're not a doctor, you can't make out. I have seen even a doctor couple missing that. Of course, they were not ophthalmologists, so they had missed it.
Okay.
So these things you can pick up when the child is like before 5 years, you can say one checkup is a must. And in the schooling age, usually we do have a program of school checkups where even I think most of the school, they ask for a vision certificate. So they do come for a checkup. That is a must. And if at all you find any refractive error in that age group, once in 6 months, regular checkup is a must. Because these refractive errors till the age of 18, at least till the age of 18 to 20, you can say it becomes stable. So you have to go on changing your glasses depending upon whatever the change in the refractive error is. And meantime, you find out any other eye,
Any problems?
any problem. Like most of the people, some children, I have seen a child who used to come to me for repeated redness in the eye. And he was treated almost everywhere with anti-allergy medicines. Of course, it was an allergy. And दवा डाला, आँख ठीक हो गया. तो बाद में आया नहीं. बाद में वापस जब हुआ, फिर से आया. Then I said, I want to check your refraction because it was a small baby. I think 4-5 years old. And people 4-5 years में पढ़ते नहीं हैं बच्चे, कैसे चेक करेंगे? It is difficult. So no one had checked refractive error in that child. I checked it, and that child had +4 diopters.
Okay.
Refractive error. I said, start wearing the glasses. Give only refreshing tears. गायब हो गया उसका एलर्जी. That was because of eye strain in addition. Maybe the child had allergy. But in addition, you have to rule out a refractive error in these cases where they have repeated redness in the eye. Because of the eye strain, stress over the muscles, you get repeated redness. So you have to take care of that. And after 18, not after 18, अभी तो 12 साल से कंप्यूटर में जाते हैं. So you have to give them all the necessary care or awareness how to reduce the screen time, how to reduce the light affected problems of the screens, what are the exercise to do, the position of the screen, it should be in the eye level, it should not be low, it should not be very low, the lighting, how much lighting should be there, it should not fall on your eyes, it should be on the screen. So overall illumination should be almost same. It's like मम्मी डांटती है तो चुप के मोबाइल पे खेलो. All these things should be avoided. So this is the thing where they are in high school. So नंबर है तो चेक ही हो जाता है, तो हो ही जाता है. And you had mentioned about lazy eye. So for the lazy eye, the treatment should start the earliest possible. I have kids who had amblyopic eyes. Their vision was hardly 2 lines. That was 636, what we say. With amblyopic exercise, they have come to 6-9. It is almost normal. Just with wearing glasses and amblyopic exercises. Means you can almost make the child normal with proper treatment. So this is about the lazy eye. After 18, the person will be educated enough to know any eye problem if he has. So he will definitely come. The best period is 18 to maybe 30-35. So people, जो भी है वो है. Other than that, नया कुछ होने वाला नहीं है. Unless you have some systemic diseases, injuries, allergies, then only regular checkup is a must in those days. So that is a safe period, I can say. But after 35, again the same thing starts. Or teenage, jawani, jo bhi hai. But after 35, again the problem starts with the near vision. Those who are into near vision, पहले तो हम सिर्फ टेलर्स ऑफ डायमंड वर्कर्स, टीचर्स, उनको ही बोलते थे कि 30-35 में आपको नज़दीक का चश्मा लगता है. लेकिन आजकल तो हम नज़दीक में ही है. सब नज़दीक का ही काम है. सो पीपल डू गेट ग्लासेस अराउंड द एज ऑफ 35 फॉर रीडिंग, व्हाट वी कॉल प्रेसबायोपिया.
Oh no, मेरे भी आ जाएगा.
40 ही लग गई, बेताला लग गया. All these things it will start. Then it becomes मजबूरी, you have to wear the glasses. That is the thing.
मुझे बचपन से ऐसा है कि मैं चश्मा लगा के दादी माँ लगती हूँ, तो इसलिए मैं जब तक मेरे पापा जैसा है इसमें कि जब तक चश्मे की जरूरत नहीं है तब तक चश्मा नहीं पहनना है.
लेकिन अगर जरूरत है you have
तो
to
पहनना चाहिए.
You have to, because it's like you are not exposed to anything. How are you going to learn it? It's like whatever you say, कूप मंडुक. तो अंडरवेल में रहो तो बाहर की दुनिया क्या समझ में आएगा? That is the thing. So if you have an error, you have to फोर्स करो. अच्छा स्टाइल वाला फ्रेम दे दो, कुछ भी दे दो, लेकिन पहना.
आप इतनी सारी ऐसे टेक्निकल चीजें भी आप बोल रहे हो. आपने डायोप्टर्स बोला, फिर आपने वो कोलोबामा बोला, तो मुझे एकदम ऐसे 3rd MBBS के फ्लैशबैक्स आ रहे हैं. because that was the thing. Never we just
स्टडीड ऑफ्थल्मोलॉजी टू पास.
यस. और
किसी को कुछ पढ़ी नहीं थी आई के बारे में.
याद भी नहीं रहता था.
आई नो.
ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट ही ऐसा था, आप कितनी भी बार पढ़ो आपको वो बार बार पढ़ना ही पड़ता था. तो एक बार तो ऐसा हो गया था, मैंने लास्ट मोमेंट के लिए वो 2-3 चैप्टर तो छोड़ ही दिए थे कि ये याद भी करो, पढ़ो, कुछ होना नहीं है, लास्ट में ही पढ़ के
I think maybe refraction and squint are the two chapters people usually don't like.
तो I skipped squint.
That's what I said. These are the two chapters people never want to read.
रिफ्रैक्शन मुझे अच्छा लगता था, पर वो कॉनकेव कॉन्वेक्स और वो सब चीजें मुझे अच्छी लगती थी. स्क्विंट से नफरत थी. वो निस्टैग्मस नहीं पसंद था बिल्कुल.
okay.
हाँ. और कॉर्निया थोड़ा बोरिंग लगता था.
That is the most important part in
हाँ,
the eye.
बोरिंग लगता
It is the mirror, front mirror of your eye.
Yes. So talking about cataract, किस एज पर लोगों को कैटरैक्ट की सर्जरी लेनी चाहिए?
See, cataract, it is a natural phenomenon.
And is
It
surgery
is
the
never
only
a disease.
solution?
You don't mention it as a disease. It is a aging process. सो एजिंग प्रोसेस में कौन सी एज में आता है, देर इज नो डिक्टम कि ऐसी एज में होता है, इसी एज में होता है, ऐसा नहीं है. पहले जमाने में 70 तक तो कोई कैटरैक्ट ऑपरेशन नहीं करवाता था. आजकल 30-40 में होता है. आज मैंने किया, उसका 35 था. मीन्स व्हाट आई दैट टू इट वाज अ फुल्ली मैच्योर कैटरैक्ट फॉर दैट पर्सन. आई डोंट नो इतना दिन उसने कैसा निकाला था. तो थैंक गॉड सक्सेसफुल हो गया, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ. सो एवरीथिंग वेंट ऑन फाइन. सो व्हाट रेगुलर चेकअप तो अभी हो ही रहा है. एज आई सेड आफ्टर 35 यू हैव टू गो फॉर रूटीन चेकअप्स. सो दूसरी एक बात है, एक बार नज़दीक का चश्मा दे दिया ना, जब तक उसमें से चलता है काम, पीपल डोंट कम बैक फॉर री-चेकअप. बट दोज पीपल शुड अंडरस्टैंड कि दिस नंबर विल लास्ट ओनली फॉर 1 to 1.5 years. Maybe you may prolong up to 2 years, not more than that. After 2 years, your number definitely changes. You have to change your glasses. It is not that your eyes are weak. It is a natural aging phenomenon. When you come for these checkups, we will definitely find out, is there any lens changes? Lens यानी कैटरेक्ट का चेंजेस है, नहीं है, वो भी पता चल जाता है. प्लस ग्लाकोमा. ग्लाकोमा ऐसा है चीज कि people will never say I have any problem. As you know, it is a silent thief of vision. ना पानी आता है, ना लाल होती है, ना दर्द करता है, नजर घटती जाती है, वो भी 35 के बाद. सो 35 के बाद ऐसे भी ग्लास लगता है. कल जाएंगे, परसों जाएंगे, दिखता है, चलेंगे. सो दिस इज द वन विच विल लीड टू ब्लाइंडनेस इन ग्लाकोमा.
मेरी मम्मी का ऐसे ही हुआ था ना. उन्होंने बोला था कि ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे कुएं में से देख रही हूँ. लाइक इट वाज अ वेरी स्मॉल सिम्टम और फिर ग्लाकोमा निकला. And now she's using the eye drops.
Eye drops. सिंपल सोल्यूशन है. आई ड्रॉप से तो बिल्कुल कंट्रोल होता है. बट आई हैव सीन सो मेनी पेशेंट दे लूज विजन इन वन आई एंड देन कम टू यू. और बाय द टाइम दे से नहीं इसमें मोती बिंदु है ना, वो निकाल देना, बाद में दिखता है. मैंने बोला कैसे दिखेगा, पीछे का तो नर तो गया है, सूख गया है. सूख गया है तो कैटरैक्ट निकालो. नहीं मैं 1 लाख रुपए वाला लेंस लगाऊँ तो भी नहीं दिखने वाला है काका. और क्या हम सेकंड ओपिनियन ले लो, सेकंड ने 100 ओपिनियन ले लो, यही बोलेंगे सब कुछ. लेकिन दूसरी आंख में सेव कर सकती हूँ बिकॉज दैट ऑल्सो हैज गॉट. यूजुअली इट इज नॉट सेम इन बोथ आइज. द इफेक्ट तो एक में कम एक में ज़्यादा रहता है. मे बी ए लकी थिंग सो दैट वी कैन सेव द विजन इन द अदर आई. इन ग्लाकोमा ऑल्सो एक बार ड्रॉप डालते हैं करके बैठना नहीं है. यू हैव टू हैव अ रेगुलर चेकअप्स. वी हैव व्हाट इज कॉल्ड पेरीमेट्री, वी हैव कॉल्ड ऑप्टिक नर्व स्टडीज बाय विच वी कम टू नो कि कितना डैमेज हो चुका है, विच इज नॉट रिवर्सेबल. एटलीस्ट वी कैन सेव वट एवर इज लेफ्ट ओवर. Because I have seen patients with tube vision. It's like something seeing with only the tube. इतना ही दिखता है, आजू बाजू कुछ नहीं दिखता है. ऐसे वाले भी रहते हैं. But at least we can save that vision and he will not be blind. He can do all his normal activities on his own. So that is why glaucoma is very important. We do check the eye pressure.
Yes.
तो IOP हम routinely सबको चेक करते हैं. तो बोलते हैं ये क्या है, हमने तो कभी सुना ही नहीं है, आई में भी प्रेशर होता है क्या. So this is the thing we usually listen to, but we have to educate them. Again comes the awareness. Diabetic awareness, hypertensive awareness, glaucoma awareness. Cataract तो at least because of so many surgeries going on around and camps and everybody knows about it. So cataract का तो इतना ये नहीं है.
और
People do know about it.
कैटरैक्ट के लिए इज सर्जरी दी ओनली ऑप्शन?
Yeah, we don't have anything else because it is clouding of the normal transparent lens. So how are you going to remove that? There is no medicine which will reach the cataract and dissolve it. No radiation, no chemotherapy, nothing goes till there and reduce it. So it has to be removed and replaced with the transparent artificial lens. So lens भी बहुत ज़्यादा का रहता है. You people who cannot afford, they have a minimal cost lenses which they can use and they do get a good vision. ऐसा नहीं है कि लाख रुपए वाला किया तो ही दिखता है, इसमें से नहीं दिखता, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. Affordable, everything is there. So you can put all different kinds of filtered lenses, double lenses, multifocal lenses, trifocal lenses. 1000 जात का है. हमारे ज़माने में एक ही था. अभी तो those days, I'm talking about 30 years back. So that time we had only one, and it was a very new invention also. I had the opportunity to go to Dr. Howard Gamble, who was the pioneer in this. He has developed this phaco technique, that is no stitch 2 millimeter incision technique. So I was lucky I got the training under him.
कैटरैक्ट के लिए तो सारे आंसर आपके स्पाइनल लेवल से आ रहे हैं क्योंकि आप तो कैटरैक्ट क्वीन हो.
कैटरैक्ट मुझे ऐसा, मैं बोली ना 2 लाख के बाद मैंने काउंट करना छोड़ दिया है बिकॉज इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल ना. तो छोड़ ही दिया है, जो है वो करते जाओ.
अभी तो नींद में भी आप कैटरैक्ट का ऑपरेशन कर दोगे.
इतना सिंपल तो नहीं है, लेकिन लोग ऐसा कभी कभी बोलते हैं व्हेन दे कैन नॉट अफोर्ड ना, जैसे 5 मिनट में ऑपरेशन हो जाता है, ऐसा क्या है इसमें. इट इज नॉट सो सिंपल. जस्ट बिकॉज आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस फॉर
years
सो
of
लॉन्ग,
practice.
दैट इज व्हाई आई डू इट विद इन 5-10 minutes. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि इट नीड्स सो मच ऑफ प्रिसिशन. हाँ, ऐसा आई है अंडर माइक्रोस्कोप मिलीमीटर माइक्रोमीटर से हमको करना पड़ता है.
आई हैव डिफरेंट रेस्पेक्ट फॉर ऑफ्थेल्मोलॉजिस्ट, फॉर पीपल हु आर डीलिंग विद माइन्यूट थिंग्स. आपको सब माइक्रोस्कोप में से करना पड़ता है. तो एज अ गायनाक मेरा तो सब क्रूड क्रैश है, मैं कुछ भी करूंगी चलेगा.
I can't, even if you have a small cut in your hand also, I will use a microscope and see it. Because that will be a better way to do it.
Yes, definitely. तो ऑफ्थेल्मोलॉजिस्ट्स आर माइक्रोसर्जन्स. और ग्लोकोमा हेरिडिटरी होता है क्या?
इट इज हेरिडिटरी. ऐसा नहीं है कि होना ही चाहिए, but you are prone for it. It's like diabetes, hypertension. They are also in hereditary. Like you can get it through your parents. So similarly, glaucoma is also like, if you have a history in your family, someone has lost vision without any disease, without any diabetes, pressure, operation, nothing, but slowly their vision is deteriorated and they lost vision in the last stages. One doubt is glaucoma.
Okay.
Second one is senile degeneration changes are always there, but glaucoma can be prevented.
और retinal detachment कैसे होता है?
Retina detachment doesn't happen on its own.
Okay.
Specifically injury, myopes, those who have high numbers, minus numbers, उनके लिए भी हम हर साल एक बार dilated फंडस रेटिना चेकअप करना जरूरी बोलते हैं, बिकॉज myopic eyeballs are little longer than the normal eyeballs, and it's something like they are more stretched. So when something is stretched more, it becomes thinner. When it becomes thinner, there are some weaker areas which may give way, like a small hole, small tear. So because of which it's like a पानी का गुब्बारा. तो एक होल हो गया तो पानी अंदर सीपेज होना शुरू हो गया. सो दैट विल लीड टू डिटैचमेंट. डिटैचमेंट इज सेपरेशन ऑफ द 2 layers ऑफ द रेटिना. सो विच विल लीड टू, दैट इज लाइक अ फिल्म. वो फिल्म के ऊपर पानी भरा हुआ है तो आपका पिक्चर कैसे आएगा? पिक्चर इज विजन, तो विजन नहीं आएगा ना. सो सडनली पीपल डू कम विद सडन स्क्रीन लाइक थिंग. सामने से स्क्रीन जैसा आ गया, मुझे दिखना बंद हो गया. सो दैट इज एन इमरजेंसी. It has to be tackled urgently. Yeah, depending upon where the detachment is, surgical, laser, everything has to be done.
I think आपको ही मुझे ऑफ्थेल्मोलॉजी पढ़ाना चाहिए था 3rd year में. मुझे रेटिनल डिटैचमेंट
तो 100 पे 100 लेके आ जाती थी. Because now I have a retina surgeon with me. My elder son is a retina surgeon. He is practicing since last 8 years now. So
you have the
happy.
first retina center of South Gujarat.
Yeah, I am happy. We have a retina यूनिट इन आवर प्लेस, बिकॉज आई रिमेंबर कभी भी कुछ ऐसा हो जाता था ना, I had to send the patient to Surat or Bombay, or most of the time people don't land up there. બીજી આંખ સારી છે ને રવા દે ને, ત્યાં સુધી કોણ જવાના? Because when you go there you have some attendant, उधर जाके रुकना पड़ेगा, खाने पीने का वांधा, रहने का तकलीफ, so many things come into thing. And એક પેશન્ટ તો ऐसे भी थे, તમે જ કરી નાખો ને, what to do, તમે જ કરી નાખો. It is not so thing कि I can do it. So this kind of patients also are there.
मैं तो
So we
बहुत
have to
ब्रैग करती हूँ ऐसे अभिषेक भैया का तो,
Yeah,
कि हमारा
literally we have to
रेटिना
tell
सेंटर,
them.
yes we have one, ऐसे करके मैं सबको बोलती
Yeah,
हूँ.
I'm happy whatever he has done till now. No, he has got a very good result even in the worst cases.
प्री मच्योर में कितना अच्छा
Premature
होता है
ROP,
ना?
you know.
हाँ, ROP.
ROP is a disease. Now people are very much aware of it. So ROP में तो you know within 21 days one checkup is a must.
Definite.
Is a must. भले बच्चा अच्छा हो कि नहीं हो, you have to have within 21 days one check consultation with retina.
अभी कंजंक्टिवाइटिस की बात करें, रिकरेंट कंजंक्टिवाइटिस, व्हाट इज द बिगेस्ट डोंट दैट पीपल डू जिसकी वजह से
First
कंजंक्टिवाइटिस
and
और खराब
foremost
होता है?
problem is they go to a local pharmacist, bring a steroid drop and put it.
ઓકે.
નહીં એ તો થયા કરે ને, 2 દિવસમાં સારું થઈ જાય. And this is the worst thing. I advise each and every person not to put any drops
Without a doctor.
without consulting an ophthalmologist. See, if it is a mild conjunctivitis, only conjunctiva is involved and cornea is not involved, they do recover. I'm not saying that drop is wrong. But unless you confirm your cornea is not involved, because I have seen patient who has come with steroid drops landing in corneal ulcer. And we had to take so many things for him, like literally he had to give subconjunctival injections, oral medicines, local drops, nearly months to recover completely.
ओके.
Yeah. So that is why I say, हाँ कुछ lubricating drop डालो ना, simple Ciplox डालो चलेगा, but no steroids. My only request to everybody is don't put any steroid drops when you have conjunctivitis. हाँ ठीक है, मेरे पास नहीं आना, ऑफ्थल्मोलॉजिस्ट के पास नहीं जाना, but put simple tear drops and simple antibiotic drops. और कुछ नहीं डालना, उसे ठीक नहीं होता आ जाओ, ऐसा है.
Steroid नहीं डालना.
स्टीरॉइड नहीं डालना.
और आपने बोला कि आपने 35 ईयर ओल्ड का कैटरैक्ट ऑपरेट किया, तो अभी ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है कि जल्दी एज में कैटरैक्ट्स हो रहे हैं लोगों को? जेनेटिक, लाइफस्टाइल, व्हाट इज इट?
First and foremost, our lifestyle is very bad. Including me. Including me. I agree for it because ना टाइम पे खाते नहीं हैं. तुम खा के आई हो?
नहीं, मेरा
Lunch हो
लंच
गया
बाकी है.
कितना टाइम हो गया?
मेरा काफी टाइम
हो गया, है ना? See, doctors are the worst persons who never eat properly in time. तुमने भी नहीं खाया, तुम लोगों ने भी किसी ने नहीं खाया. This is the first and foremost. I say.
आपने भी नहीं खाया?
मैंने भी नहीं खाया. That's what I said. ना, I'm also in the same field, same legacy. कुछ नहीं है. But at least morning you have only 2 meals. It's okay. But have a full-fledged everything in that. Only twice. 11 बजे एक बार खाओ, रात को 9-10 बजे खाओ, चलेगा. नीड नॉट बी मॉर्निंग ब्रेकफास्ट, आफ्टरनून लंच, इवनिंग स्नैक्स. वो तो ठीक है, घर में रहते सब लोग करते, वो बात अलग है. संडे को तो हम भी करेंगे, वो बात अलग है. बट दिस इज द फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट थिंग विच इज अफेक्टिंग आवर
आई हेल्थ,
होल बॉडी, यू कैन से. Second thing is too much of stress in the life. We want to do everything perfectly. Is it possible? For everyone. It's not for you, me, he or anybody.
किसी के लिए भी नहीं है.
नहीं
boss.
होता है. कुछ ना कुछ तो एडजस्टमेंट तो करना ही पड़ता है. So why take so much of stress? Why can't you relax?
सही बात है.
बोलने तो बहुत लोग बोलते हैं मेडिटेशन करो, योगा करो, ये करो, वो करो, वो करो. कितने लोग करते हैं?
मुझसे नहीं होता है मेडिटेशन. आई कैन नॉट डू.
कितने लोग करते हैं? आई एम नॉट सेइंग एनी वन पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, इन जनरल. सेकेंड, थर्ड थिंग, यू गिव लॉट्स ऑफ मनी टू द वेंडर, वेजिटेबल वेंडर, जो भी फूड आइटम्स यू बाय. आर यू श्योर इट इज द बेस्ट वन? You may be taking the expensive lot, supposed to be organic, supposed to be grown in such an environment. Are you sure it is the best? I don't know.
We don't know.
कलर गिलर बहुत अच्छा दिखता है बट
हाँ, अभी आजकल तो सुंदर सुंदर एकदम
हाँ.
चिकने टमाटर आते हैं.
Okay, so these are the 3 basic things which you should take care of. If you are healthy, then only you can give services to other.
Definitely.
So make yourself happy, healthy, practice all the good things. Then I can advise.
Definitely.
Otherwise I can't advise anybody.
अभी सुपर स्पेशलिटीज़ की बात करें तो कॉर्निया सर्जन्स होते हैं, ट्रांसप्लांट सर्जन्स होते हैं, रेटिनल सर्जन्स होते हैं, हर तरह के होते हैं. तो ऑफ्थेल्मोलॉजी एज अ फील्ड हैज़ इवॉल्व्ड अ लॉट. जब आप थे तो उस टाइम पर सारे सर्जरीज आपको ही करने होते थे. सो हाउ डू यू लाइक दिस चेंज? लाइक इज इट बेटर लाइक दिस?
One thing is very sure, it is definitely better because the way I was doing my cataracts 38 years back was a technique where I used to have a 12 millimeter incision. I used to remove the whole cataract out like यहाँ का लोग बोलते थे तुअर ना दाड़ा जो निकाली देते. This is the way they were explaining here. This all I learned after I came to Gujarat. I didn't know about all this. So then we had to suture it. They have to take care for almost 1 month. They used to sit in dark room, all these things. Then now what I am doing is a 2 millimeter surgery where you don't put stitches. You have 100 varieties of lenses to be put. Durga, Nazdika, multifocal, trifocal, everything. And next day morning he will go to work also. So this is the change over a period of almost 35 years. If I were to practice everything in the eye, squint भी मैं ही करूँ, oculoplasty भी मैं ही करूँ, cornea भी मैं करूँ, retina भी मैं करूँ, do you think I can master everything?
Master of none, jack of all.
Nothing. So you have to stick to one field because the changes in ophthalmology is so much, I think. I don't know about the other fields. In other fields also it has come. In ophthalmology, it is the maximum, I feel. So we have evolved from 12 millimeter surgery to 2 millimeter surgery. And we have evolved from plus 10 lenses we were giving to all the cataract patient to 0 lenses.
अभी उस दिन मैं जब आई थी तो आप लेजर कर रहे थे आँख में, तो
That's what.
So many things.
So many things have changed. And every new invention, when it comes, so you have to learn it. And that is what CME is, continuous medical education.
Yes.
So if you are not into that, like if I were to do the same technique today, do you think I will sit here and talk to you?
नहीं, पेशेंट्स नहीं
कौन है वो
आएंगे.
पुराने जमाने की है, कुछ करती है, पता नहीं क्या कर रही है. This is the thing it will be.
Definitely.
And that's why you have to select one speciality. So I am happy to say that my Anu Eye Hospital has got a multi-speciality eye hospital.
Definitely.
Where I can give you services for cornea, oculoplasty, squint, everything. Recently we did a squint surgery. In her we had to do 6 muscles.
Okay.
है ही
हाँ,
एक आँख
कितने
में
सारे होते थे?
कितना था? 4 + 2, 4 रेक्टा है, 2 ऑब्लिक है, ठीक है, एक आँख में. तो 6 एक में और 6 दूसरे में, 12 में हमने 6 टैकल करना पड़ा. तो उस हिसाब से दैट गर्ल इज सो हैप्पी नाउ. ऑफ कोर्स आई डिडंट डू इट. We have visiting squint specialists. We have visiting cornea specialists. We have oculoplasty surgeons. Like artificial eye. कोविड टाइम में बहुत सारे लोगों को आँख में भी इन्फेक्शन होके दे हैड टू लूज विजन एंड ऑल. इवन द साइनर्स एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स दे वर लूजिंग. फॉर दैट वी हैव अ oculoplasty surgeon who will replace it. And just to look at na, they don't seem to be blind in that eye. You will not make out he is blind in one eye. So such kind of procedures are done by oculoplasty surgeon. We have a visiting oculoplasty surgeon too. In-home retina to hai, cataract to hai. So we were like general ophthalmologists initially, but now I don't do anything. I do only
टाइम के साथ आप एकदम आगे बढ़ गए. और
so like super speciality हो गया.
थोड़ा आप मुझे आई डोनेशन के बारे में बताइए. जैसे व्हेन आई वाज लिटिल, ऐश्वर्या राय ने बोला था कि वो जब मरेगी वो अपनी आईज डोनेट करेगी. सो व्हाट वाज शी टॉकिंग अबाउट?
See, we involve these celebrities so that people will accept it.
अवेयर
So,
हो जाएंगे.
अभी तो नरेंद्र मोदी बोलेंगे तो हम मान ही लेंगे ना.
हाँ.
वो खाली ये बोलेगा तो थोड़ी मानेंगे.
हाँ.
That is the thing. Like you need a celebrity person to inform. कि this is the thing which can help to get vision.
So what are we donating when we are donating eyes?
We are taking the whole eyeball.
Okay.
And it has to be done within 6 hours of death. Okay, we used to have so many competitions in schools to educate them about eye donation. I had a questionnaire, full questionnaire about eye donation. I used to give to the public and ask them to tick the thing, and we used to give them some incentive, some कुछ ना कुछ प्राइज दे देते थे तो kids will be very happy. Then we had like painting competitions. तो एक आग देने से क्या होता है, सो टेकिंग दैट थीम आई डोनेशन, या वी हैड डन इट इन ऑल द स्कूल्स इन दमन, आई रिमेंबर. सो उनका किया था. सो ओनली थिंग इज पीपल शुड नो विद इन 6 hours दे हैव टू इन्फॉर्म, एंड द नियरेस्ट किथ और किन ही हैज टू गिव द permission to take the eyes off, and whole eyeball is removed, but the use is only of cornea. That is the front mirror, whatever I told you, because that is a transparent one which can be used to other person who is blind because of cornea. ऐसा नहीं समझना कि ऑप्टिक नर्व गया है तो he will not get vision in that. Like glaucoma में ऑप्टिक nerve atrophy हो जाती है. So if I replace his cornea, he is not going to get vision. So this is only in cornea, people having cornea blindness. But we are happy in India, we have so much of eye donation there. We have eye banks where it is kept in a tissue media which can be used even after 1 to 2 months.
Okay.
Yeah. And there is a waiting list everywhere wherever the cornea transplant is done. Cornea, only advantage in that is it is not a vascular structure. So most of the time it is a transparent portion which is transplanted. So usually even they do say HIV, HBsAg, cancer patients, they don't take. So any other disease, like even if I am operated for cataract, I can give it. Even diabetic retinopathy, you can give it. Even a glaucoma patient who is not seeing, but his cornea is clear, he can give it because his cornea will be useful for some other person. And you know, दो आंख मिलती है, दो लोगों को नजर मिलती है. सो दिस इज द यूजुअल डायलॉग वी से, टैगलाइन, एक आदमी से दो लोगों को विजन आ जाती है करके. सो दैट इज द थिंग. सो आई डोनेशन एनीवन कैन डू इट, बिकॉज इवन इफ there is something wrong in the eyeball we have collected, that is used for education purpose. And even sclera is used in some of the patients where it is scleromalacia or where sclera is very thin and we need, and in emergency purposes, like there is an injury, there is a cornea rupture and I don't have a cornea here, so temporarily I use those things and then go for a proper cornea transplant surgery later on. So that is why eye donation has to be made ever to everybody. We had done many programs in Daman, I remember. I don't know, Tandel community is totally against it. I don't know why, because they say अगले जन्म में ब्लाइंड पैदा होगा.
Okay.
आग दे दिया तो अगले जन्म में ब्लाइंड हो जाते हैं. Not only this community here, most of the places people have this thing in their mind कि आग दिया तो दूसरे जन्म में ब्लाइंड पैदा होता है.
पर मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि हमारे हिंदू कम्युनिटी में तो वैसे भी जलाते ही है ना, तो
इसीलिए बोलते हैं जल के राख होने वाला है.
हाँ, तो
उसके बदले में तुम दे दो यार. दो लोगों को एटलीस्ट कुछ तो नजर आ जाएगा. कुछ तो विजन आ जाएगा. बिकॉज इनिशियली दोज डेज विटामिन ए डेफिशिएंसी वाज द कॉमनेस्ट वन. पीपल हैड कॉर्नियल ओपेसिटीज. आजकल तो इतना नहीं है. एंड आई रिमेम्बर रामायण महाभारत एरा वेयर दे हैड एरो इंजुरीज, because of which they had corneal opacities, corneal ulcers, especially harvest season where they were injured with paddy.
Yes.
Harvest season में. And even today paddy grain injury होती है ना, तो जो पेरीफेरी वाले ना इधर कुछ बांध के आ जाते हैं स्टिक, बट दवा करने के लिए नहीं आते हैं. तो ये कुछ लगाते हैं स्टिक जैसा बांध देते हैं, उससे ये आँख ठीक हो जाता है. इवन नाउ आई हैव पेशेंट्स लाइक दैट. सो आने के बाद मुझे बोलना पड़ता है, नहीं नहीं खाली उससे ठीक नहीं, वो रखो लेकिन ये करो. दैट इज व्हाट वी हैव टू कन्विंस देम लाइक. So these are the cornea opacity things na can be cured with this eye donation. Corneas.
So if you were to do ophthalmology all over again, तो आप कौन सी सुपर स्पेशलिटी करते इसमें?
I will stick to my this cataract. Yes. I'm happy with it. They can see even all other things also are equally good, equally important.
हाँ.
But cataract is the one which is not a disease. It's a normal aging
Process.
thing. And people, once you get operated, you're so happy.
हाँ.
So your vision comes back.
आंखों की रोशनी दे दी आपने.
खुश हो जाते हैं, हम भी खुश हो जाते हैं, पेशेंट भी खुश हो जाता है. So I would love to continue with this. Maybe future में शायद we will not do this laser surgeries. We are into a future where they are supposed to find out a kind of laser by which we go inside the eye with the laser light. We absorb the cloudy cataract and replace it with a transparent fluid which will take the shape of the same lens.
Okay.
It's a future. I don't know when it will come.
Okay.
This is what is
तो
the plan.
For Anu Eye Hospital, for Abhisham Foundation, आपका आगे का फ्यूचर प्लान क्या है?
आगे का फ्यूचर प्लान, आई वुड लव एवरीवन टू हैव गुड विजन एंड आई विल बी more happy if I can be instrumental in giving very good vision to each and every one, whether they can afford, they don't afford, for any category. I would love to give my services and have good vision.
One message for the female doctors who want to take ophthalmology as a subject in PG.
Medicine is not time lost. It is a life beautifully built. Most of the time, especially women, डॉक्टर बनेंगे कितना साल पढ़ाई करना पड़ता है, बाप रे, जब तक तो प्रैक्टिस शुरू हो जाएगा बुढ़े हो जाएंगे. सो दिस इज द थिंग. सो दैट इज व्हाई आई सेड दिस लाइन. मेडिसिन जितना भी आप पढ़ाई करो, यू आर गेटिंग इन्वॉल्व इन इट, you learn more and more things, you are into it, and it is the life you are tackling with. जिंदे आदमी के साथ आप, it is not experiment. You are giving life to them like you people give. We give vision to them. So it is a life which is beautifully built. So that is what I want all the women people to get involved in. And don't think अरे इतना साल पढ़ाई कैसे करें, घर भी देखे, बच्चों को भी देखे, खाना भी बनाए. आप तो एग्जाम्पल हो,
आप तो सब करते हो, खाना भी बनाते हो, हमको भी बुला के खिलाते हो, सारे फेस्टिवल्स भी मनाते हो.
द थिंग इज ना, यू हैव टू लव योर वर्क, देन यू डोंट फील इट इज अ बर्डन. पीपल डू टॉक अबाउट बैलेंसिंग. अरे दोनों कैसे करे, वर्किंग वुमन है, घर पे भी आके करना है. If you love it, na, you don't feel it is a burden.
Definitely.
So you don't mind cooking a special dish for Vaibhav. And when he appreciates, you get the best out of it.
But the problem is, my Vaibhav is a non-vegetarian. I don't know how to cook non-vegetarian.
कोई बात नहीं, तू ग्रेवी बना दे, उसमें जो डालना है वो डालेगा. ग्रेवी तो सेम ही रहेगी, तो खाली उसमें प्रॉन्स डालो कि पनीर डालो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. सो द टेस्ट ऑफ ग्रेवी इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. एंड सो दैट इज व्हाई द बैलेंस थिंग वी नेवर थॉट ऑफ इट इनिशियली. हाँ, अभी भी मैं ऐसा कुछ सोचती नहीं है आज मुझे इधर उधर जाना है, इधर जाना है. हाँ, मे बी वी डोंट पार्टिसिपेट इन सोशल एक्टिविटीज like people other than us, doctor life. So इतना social activity हमें जाना मुश्किल हो जाता है. We may, but then it becomes a part and parcel of your life. You enjoy whatever you do. You call them home ना, instead of going to their house. So both works will be done. आपका hospital भी हो गया, आपका घर का उनके साथ में social life भी हो गया.
And any message for female ophthalmologists out there?
See, I am happy we have trained few डॉक्टर्स अंडर अस आफ्टर MBBS दे डू कम टू फाइंड आउट कि ऑफ्थल्मोलॉजी लेना है नहीं लेना है, क्या करना है. बट आई एम हैप्पी दे आर मेनी ladies, women ophthalmologists, they are specializing in even retina, squint, cornea, each subspecialties they are doing it, and they are very happy, making very good name in it. So again the same thing comes, you love your work, you will be excellent in it. Whatever it is, whichever. Ophthalmology में क्या है ना, you can plan your surgeries, not like your scissors.
हाँ गायनाक जैसे नहीं है.
I did not take OBG because I didn't want to go anytime and anywhere. I wanted a very fine surgery because I was into like craft
Precision.
and art. नहीं, craft का बहुत मुझे शौक था. Needle work, craft and all. I was very much into it. So I wanted surgical field, but fine. Then somebody said you go to MS surgery and then do plastic surgery. मैंने बोला नहीं बाबा, 3 सर्जरी वो करो, उसके बाद और 2 साल करो, पहले से ही फाइन सर्जरी ले लो.
हाँ.
So that was why I came into ophthalmology. So I liked ophthalmology from day one, and I'm still happy.
और ऐसा भी नहीं है कि लाइट ब्रांच है, और अगर लाइट ब्रांच है भी तो आप तो लाइट की तरह ट्रीट करती नहीं हो. आप पहले पाड़ी में OPD करते हो, फिर आप दमन में करते हो, वापी में करते हो, सब जगह यू मेक इट हैवी.
It's like ना हेरेंजल और नाटकर्णी से का एक टैगलाइन है, वर्कहॉलिक.
हाँ, वर्कहॉलिक्स.
उनको वर्क नहीं किया था, खाना पचता नहीं है. सो आई केम इनटू द सेम फैमिली, तो वो जीन्स मेरे में भी आ गए. तो इवन वन संडे व्हेनेवर आई गेट इट ना, मैं इतनी बोर हो जाती हूँ, कुछ काम नहीं रहता है. देन आई स्टार्ट कुकिंग वेराइटीज ऑफ डिशेस. लेकिन कोई खाने वाला है तो ही कुक करेंगे.
हाँ.
No, that is the thing. So I love to work all 24 hours. I enjoy it.
So with this note, we will end our today's podcast. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया मामी आपके साथ में.
Thank you Soumya for giving me this opportunity. I don't know कितना मैंने गोलमाल किया है.
अरे नहीं, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत मज़ा आया.
ऐसे ही बोलती गई because it was like personal experiences you'll have to come out with, nothing like specifically textbook written कुछ बोलो. नहीं. I was happy saying that.
मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आया आपके साथ करने में, क्योंकि एक फैमिली फैक्टर भी आ गया. सो आई वॉज ऑल्सो नॉट वेरी स्ट्रेस्ड अबाउट इट, और आपसे बात करना हमेशा ही अच्छा ही लगता है.
Thank you.
बस, तो थैंक यू सो मच मामी.
Thank you बेटा.
सो वी हैव वन रैपिड फायर राउंड जो हम कभी कभी करते हैं कुछ लोगों के साथ, एक आपके साथ भी करेंगे. ग्लासेस और कॉन्टैक्ट्स?
Depending upon age. Younger generation, younger kids, glasses definitely. Teenagers, contact lens.
ओके. गाजर या स्पिनच?
आई के लिए गाजर इज बेटर देन स्पिनच.
पॉपॉय नहीं बनना है हमको. फिर इफ अ चाइल्ड स्क्विंट्स, शुड द पेरेंट्स वरी इमीडिएटली?
Immediately.
व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग यू नोटिस व्हेन यू लुक एट समवन्स आईज?
Everything.
आप तो सब कुछ
Everything,
ही
because
दिखेगा
I'm an
आपको.
ophthalmologist. I have to look into everything.
The single most common cause of poor vision in adults?
Depends upon where the patient is coming from. If he's from a rural area where he has never worn glasses, if he's got a refractive error, it may be because of that. If he's a very old age patient, it may be a cataract.
Yes. Biggest regret in your 37-year career?
Till now, nothing.
Better to get more sleep or take more breaks from the screen?
Breaks.
Okay. Is it possible to be too old for cataract surgery?
Nowadays, we don't get hypermature cataracts. But there are some like black cataracts in which the vision is good enough for the old person to carry on with the near vision. They go on prolonging. But that will lead to later on complications. Brunison cataract और black cataract.
ये मेरे लिए थोड़ा high level
काला
है.
मोतिया ऐसा कुछ बोलते हैं यहाँ के लोग.
One word to describe eye surgery today?
Very fine and complicated.
Reading in the dark, harmful or harmless?
Very bad.
Your favorite tool in the ophthalmology clinic?
Slit lamp.
Is having good genes the main factor for good vision?
Maybe for some diseases which are through hereditary. Otherwise, I don't think, because everyone genes is good only.
What's one piece of eye health advice you gave your own children?
Good food, less screen time.
The future of eye care in Daman and Valsad, South Gujarat, in one word.
To reach each and every person in every corner of the place.
सबको विजन देना है, ब्राइट फ्यूचर.
Each corner. Whether they can afford, not afford, that's a second thing. But reach them.
रीच.
Yeah, reach them.
Chalo.
And make people aware also. You should have some awareness lectures, awareness posters, awareness specifically in schools, which will go to their parents also.
Yes. So thank you so much, Mami.
Thank you.